Hello everybody, this is Khashayar and welcome to part 3 of our snake game. Oh well, obviously this picture has nothing to do with our coding, but actually I was helping a friend of mine to picking some grapes from his garden, and we prepared them for making wine. So hopefully we can have homemade wine in November. So I thought, why not, I can share it with you, and just want to say it's good idea sometimes to stay away from coding and computer in general, and just go to nature, go to farm, or I don't know, mountain, seaside, and just little bit think about real code around us, real program, which is nature, and how complex and interesting is, and how we can find out more and understand more about ourselves by thinking deeply about the nature and the ratios between elements in the nature. And that's it. So let's get back to our code. And last time we could manage to have an object and on the screen and move it. So let's see. This was the our results for last video. Now what we need to do now is we have to add more square on the end of this square so it looks like a snake. By doing that, we need to use, for doing it, we have to use snake self.body, which is a list, and we need to add append the snake head position to snake body each time, and at the same time we should have some kind of if statement to control the length of the this list. That's why we have self.tail, because we can compare the length of the self.tail but by to length of the self.body, and see how long will be our snake. Alright, and in my original code, the first time I could manage to write this game, I add this chunk of code something in main game loop in here, but I think it's a better idea I just write it here. So it's kind of simple. First of all, we have to add this to the body, the snake position, which is a snake head. So self.body append self.position will return the position of the object on turtle, and self.stamp. Now I find out that in turtle, instead of drawing another square, it's much more easier to use the stamp function. Stamp function is exactly working like a stamp. You are stamping in the shape of the turtle what you defined for it. So let's see how it's work. And when we run the program, self.stamps. Okay, see, now the length is increasing. How we can control it? Okay, it's kind of easy. We should just add this 2-3 line. If length of the self.body or list greater than self.tail, then self.body 0. It's kind of deleting the index 0, and also we can write it this way: delete self.body index 0. But when we run the program now, still we will have the snake that is growing longer and longer and longer, because we are deleting inside the list, but we are not deleting the stamps. So we have to add another line: self.clear stamps with stamp ID number 1. Now we have snake with length of 5 squares or 5 blocks. Let's see what's going to happen if we increase it in our class here. Make it 10. We have snake long with 10 squares or 10 blocks. Okay, this video will be short, and so that would be all for now, and I see you soon in next video. Thanks for watching.